Hello friends, this is channel Teepi Kaaraalu and you are all welcome here. Let's make some Boondi Laddoo to satisfy our sweet tooth and make this festive season even more glorious. First of all, sieve 2 cups of gram flour with the help of a siever. This will make the bundi mixture lump-free. Keep pouring in water gradually, little by little. Whisk until it forms liquid-like paste and the consistency should be nice and flowy. We almost require 2 cups of water to achieve this consistency. Now, let it rest for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, take a vessel and put 2 cups of sugar in it. Add water enough to submerge the sugar. Keep this vessel on a gas burner turned on to a medium flame and just keep stirring. Add some saffron. Stir occasionally until one string syrup is formed. Turn off the gas and cover it with the lid. Now pour enough ghee in another wok for deep fry. You can use oil and ghee in equal quantities, or you can totally avoid ghee and use oil completely. After the ghee heats up enough, we can start doing boondi. We'll need a slotted spoon for this. Hold it on top of the wok. Pour some of the gram flour paste onto it with a steel bowl. Slowly move the bowl in such a way that all the paste goes through the spoon and forms boondi in the hot ghee. Make sure the ghee is hot enough. Only and only then the boondi immediately rises up onto the ghee. This makes perfectly round and puffed boondi with very less fallout. There is no need to fry these much, because we want to keep it soft so that it soaks in sugar syrup. While taking out the boondi using a strainer, my mom is turning the gas to low flame as it prevents boondi from frying too much. After all the boondi is taken out from the wok, my mom is turning the gas back to medium flame. Remember to clean the slotted spoon after every use. Repeat these steps until all the boondi is prepared. The boondi is being taken out in a strainer vessel in case to avoid any extra ghee left on the boondi. Reheat the sugar syrup. Now add the boondi in the sugar syrup prepared earlier. Mix well. Roast some dry fruits of your choice in ghee and add these two in the mixture. My mom has taken some cut cashews and raisins. Add some cardamom powder. Pinch of salt. Mix really well. and start forming laddoos. Use both the hands to bind all the bundi. In this way, Boondi Laddoos are ready to be served. Like this video if you do, and please comment your views in the comment section. And do subscribe to our channel Teepi Kaaraalu. Thank you.